Bye-bye. What just happened?
It's a robot.
What happened?
They put bananas was walking back.
Every time you yell at your kids, put a quarter in your no yelling sock, and soon you'll have a weapon to beat up.
Me. This looks like bacon, like fake bacon. Bacon. The bacons be like. So we made this pancake. For the 99.
Takes like the 99. They're open 9 days a week, guys.
You're so dumb. Don't put it on a wall. Oy. Look at it, it's all hills have eyes. I mean Silent Hill. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Ay! Agua. Literally flooded.
What is that? Those are clouds?
Yes? Ay! Not focusing on the... It can't.
This is our front yard, right?
Yes.
That is,
Huh? Oh, yeah, they thought it was our backyard.
I know.
Yes, this is our front yard. There's like, you can't see it, but there's like clouds.
Just show them the backyard too.
Not much to see there.
I know the difference.
I want to show you our lake, our wannabe moat. This is why I have to pave to the street. I'm literally wrapped in a blanket. It's probably dragging a little bit. Look at this. Come take a swim in my lake.
Oh my god, it's freezing. I don't want to go any further. It's wet. How do you zoom in?
Literally me right now.
Tip number 2, how I talked about increasing your hit or your lift here and there. Now with all of the extra indulging that we do over the holidays, I really want you to think about
Whitney.
keeping your intensity up. This could be as
Tomato
simple
soup
as taking
with
your
tostadas,
top part,
habanero, and
right
sriracha.
around that, just
Alexa. Marco.
Polo.
So I had said I would show like all the posters in the house. These are just our favorite movies, like at the time. Mine of all time is Back to the Future. We like Goodfellas. This is Durf's favorite. This one doesn't really fit in because it's like so old, but this is a 3D printer. Hold on. But kids computer, Independence Day, The Matrix, and then we have friends over here in the like, breakfast area, whatever. Pulp Fiction. This is the Walking Dead one. That's me. It's the baby silhouettes they made at school. That's Sonia, that's Celine. That's their little thingy that countdown. What's it called? I don't know, but yeah. So we have some 70s show in the background, clearly. You just get some mayo, any mayo you want. I'm using this one. And then you put it on like this, like so. This is the cheese one, this is blended Flamin' Hots. This needs like a butt hair more.
Hello? Is anybody there? Oh, and this afternoon someone called.
Oh my god, it's like never enough.
I saw 16 minutes
Oh, I forgot the butter.
every day. Missing daddies, mysterious phone calls.
So we're ready, huh?
Is that what I think it is?
Huh.
Even selling drugs.
They want to admit to something. If I was gonna cause the pain, truth in my lies right now.
Hey. Can you just call yes?
I don't like this song, like putting it on myself.
Okay, so that's cotija. This is like how you would normally do it. So instead of that, you would do it in front of hot Cheetos for a hot Cheeto one, and then you would put the squeezy butter on it.
Fez and Caroline are never gonna last.
Hi, guys.
Well, that was just bad time. Why are you wearing a wedding dress? Oh my god.
So you don't like Randy?
It would taste great.
I don't know.
He's pretty cool.
I never gave him a chance. I don't know, I feel like his voice is dumb, and when he tells his jokes, they're not funny.
No, they're not, but he's good to Donna.
Yeah, but I just feel like he tries too hard. How's that?
Sometimes,
It
yeah.
sounds like it.
Uh-huh. Oh, you're doing it in that again? I thought you were doing it in this.
I could do it in this.
I wanted to record you doing one and one. I'll just speed that one up.
If you work as hard at getting fed, you're pushing a little bilingual baby through the park right now.
Bilingual baby. See, that was funny. That was Randy.
Stephen, how could you?
It's a product of my environment. Wait, what are you talking about?
We know you've been selling drugs out of the house. This is the worst thing you have ever done. You have turned my living room into East St. Louis.
So
That shit is packed on there.
what you're doing, it'll be better for
Eee!